Hey everybody, welcome back for another Tools for the Soul episode. I'm kind of excited. I was actually kind of surprised when this one came. So we have another Mindful Souls subscription box and a surprise. I have no idea what's in them. I've not opened them because, you know, I like to wait for you guys. So we're going to open this up and see what we've got. First, because I always like to start with a little surprise. So usually when you get one of the Mindful Soul subscription boxes, they will, especially like the first one, they'll let you pick an additional gift to go along with that. And so that's always been kind of fun for me. So let's see what we've got in this one. I have no idea what it is. Oh, but it is rather appropriate for the season, I can tell you that. Is a little Christmas tree made with a lot of different crystals. So it looks like it's a resin tree that has embedded inside of it a lot of the different gemstones. I love it when they do that. It's such a great way to use up the gemstone chips. Sometimes those get turned into bracelets, but then other times they're able to do some of these things. This was kind of fun. It's got a lot of oranges. This almost looks like it probably has like a lot of kyanite, maybe some citrine. Looks like we've got some carnelian, maybe some onyx, a lot of different colors, reds, greens, oranges, yellows. So that's kind of fun. Like I said, rather appropriate for the season. So let's get into the fun stuff. So very first thing, whenever we open a box, first of all, it's always beautifully packed. And this one has some fun stuff already, I can tell you that. So one of the first things I always like to do is look at the affirmation card. And so this one is an affirmation for renewal. And it says, I release any person, place, thought, thing, or entity that does not vibrate for my highest good and well-being. This is actually rather appropriate also for this time of year where we've got the new year coming up. A lot of people will take this time to kind of go through and set new goals, release bad energies, things like that. So let's see what we've got here. As always, we have our guide that tells us everything that is in this box, and that's going to help us figure out, you know, kind of everything that's in here. So this is an Essentials of Mindfulness Part 2 for cleansing. So let's take a dive in and see what we have in here. Now the very first thing that I have, we've got this. Oh, nice. It is a pillow cover. Check that out. So you would stuff this with a pillow. I'll have to go do that. That's kind of cool. I like that one. Love the colors. So this is a Buddha pillowcase. The intentions are comfort and quiet. Our element is air, and it doesn't really have a chakra that it goes with. It says nothing clears your thoughts like meditation, and this beautiful pillowcase will become your best ally for moments of quiet and reflection. Now, how do you use it? Incorporate it into your meditation practice to make it more comfortable and cozy. I love those colors. That's just beautiful. So that's a cool one. All right, let's see what we've got next. And of course, one of my other very favorite things in addition to the affirmation card is the sticker. And this is a calm llama. So it says keep calm and no drama. So no drama llamas for us. I like that sticker. That's a fun one. All right, for our first little package, he's got some nice weight to it. Let's see what we've got. Oh, lump of pyrite. That's actually a really good specimen piece of it too. That's nice. Raw pyrite crystal. Sparkling with golden hues, pyrite is often called fool's gold, but its energy is no joke. This natural stone not only invites prosperity, but also helps clear mental fog. Oh goodness, guys. After what we've been through in the last 5 years, let me tell you about the mental fog. Everybody needs some of this. To use this, place it on your work desk to attract abundance. Yes, please. Manifest opportunities and keep focused on your goals. Well, that's rather appropriate again for the timing. So its element is earth and the chakra is for the solar plexus. The intentions are for protection and abundance. We're totally needing abundance right now. That's where we're headed. Okay, so that's a really cool one too. So that's our pyrite. Let's see what's next. This one feels like a piece of jewelry to me, and you know I like jewelry. So let's see what we got in this one. Oh, very nice. So this is a tiger's eye bracelet. Those beads are quite substantial too, and it's very nice quality. So this is a protective tiger's eye bracelet. The intention is for detox and protection. The elements, this one has two, fire and earth, which go along with your solar plexus and your third eye. Looking to keep those negative vibes away? Well, then tiger's eye is for you. In addition to its protective power, this stone is also known for detoxifying and balancing. Well, we all need some detoxification, right? Especially all the crazy drivers and shoppers out there right now. We could use some detox on them. How to use it. Wear this bracelet every day. Let it ground you, guide you, and give you the confidence to face life's challenges. So that's kind of a fun one. This really is a pretty bracelet. I'm not a tiger's eye fan, but this one I would wear. This one I will wear. All right, let's see what we got next. All right, next up, another little bag. Love their little bags. We've got another piece of jewelry. Check this out. So this is a wrapped raw clear quartz necklace. The intentions are amplification and renewal. You know, we've talked about this before, but you know that clear crystal, the raw quartz crystal, is an amplifier for whatever you put it next to. So it's a really cool and powerful stone. The element is air and the chakra is your crown. So known as the master healer, rather appropriate. Clear quartz is a cleansing essential that cannot be missing from your collection. It is perfect to amplify and renew the power of other crystals. Very important one. How to use this. Place it near other crystals whose energy you wish to amplify, or wear it daily to enjoy its protective and balancing properties. It's kind of a fun one. I like how they take the raw crystals and kind of cage them inside of the different materials. And they do kind of a creative job on that. So that was kind of fun. All right, let's see what's next. So we have one more little bag in here. This guy's got some weight to him too. It's nice and round. Let's see what this is. So this is a red jasper circle crystal. The intentions are purifying and grounding. This is such a cool box. The element is earth and your chakra is root. With famous purifying properties, this gorgeous stone just might be what you need to clean any emotional clutter like stress or negativity. How to use it? Place it in a visible spot in your home or take it around with you, especially when facing a particularly stressful period. That's a really cool piece. This piece is just gorgeous. I love the quality of their stones. All right, we got one more item in here and it is pretty. Look at this. It's a beautiful sage bundle. So this is a dragon's blood sage with wildflowers. The intention, of course, with all sage, right, is going to be cleansing and protection. The element is fire and the chakra is root. If you're looking to freshen up the energy of all your living spaces, this one is a must-have. Use it to get rid of negativity, harmful intentions, and blocking vibes. Yeah, we don't need any blocking vibes. How to use it? Light it up and move it around the room while keeping your windows open to let the negative vibes exit. That's important, right? Open up those windows, which is sometimes hard to do in the middle of winter, but it's so worth it. This is a really cool box. Now, in addition to these cool items that are in here, they also have like the different rituals or practices that you can use for this. So a sacred space cleansing ritual in this case, you know, it talks about, and it says cleansing your space is more than just tidying up. It's about setting good intentions and bringing in positive vibes and pushing out old stuck energies. And then it gives like a 20-minute thing, and you're going to start by, you know, kind of cleaning things up, opening your windows, use that sage, use the different stones around as well to kind of help you get that energy that you're after. So now, in addition to doing kind of that space cleansing, they also have a practice for your aura cleansing. And again, it just goes through and tells you how to do all of that as well. I do love these boxes. You guys know that. You know that I've been on this journey of kind of finding myself, I guess you can say, and I really enjoy the thoughtfulness that they put into these boxes. I know that this is a little sidestep from all the jewelry videos that I do and everything like that, but I promise in the new year, there's some pretty fun things coming up with a new line of jewelry, some educational things where we're going to talk about a lot of the different stones and setting intentions and making jewelry that is quite meaningful for you. So I promise there is a tie-in coming up shortly. So make sure you stay tuned for all of that. Now, if this is something that you think you might be interested in trying out, Mindful Souls has given me a very generous half off of your first subscription box. And they're not even that expensive to begin with. They're only like $50. And there is definitely more than $50 worth of items in here, not to mention the intention that goes behind it. Every box that I've done ever has been very thoughtfully curated. And that is kind of fun. So if you'd like to try it out with that 50% off coupon, you can use my Melissa F50 coupon code, and there's a link down in the description. Just click on that, follow it through, and then use that coupon code. It'll take that 50% off, and you can try it out and see what you think. So let me know if you do try it out. It's been kind of fun. I know that several of you have tried some of these, and I love hearing the feedback. So continue to do that. Again, the coupon code is Melissa F50, and once more, that link is down in the description. Thank you so much. Happy holidays, everybody, and we will see you guys soon with another box.